Hey Lee, just wanted to give you the video walk around of the ASTRA VXR that you've purchased from us. I'll give you as much detail as I can on bodywork, alloy wheels, and I'll do a little bit of a video on the inside. Starting off with the front of the car, we see no excessive scuffing or stone chips on the bumper or up on the bonnet, where sometimes black cars can get quite a bit of chipping. I'll run through kind of all four alloy wheels, but being aftermarket alloy wheels, there has been some signs of it's just paint peeling, where it's just over time. It's not scuffing as such, but it's just wear where they've peeled. These bits are plastic protectors to help from stone chips, but the adhesives just started to come away, and that's where dirt's got on the inside. Driver's door's in good condition, as well as the rear quarter. This is one of the wheels that's got a little bit worse on the lack of peel. Back of the vehicle, sometimes bumpers can get quite a bit of scuffing or chipping, but again, we're really happy with the back condition of the vehicle. Here's the other rear alloy wheel. And coming down the passenger side again, very happy with the driver's door. Similar to what we saw on the driver's side, just the sticker protector, the adhesive started to come away, and that's where dirt's gone underneath, and the fourth alloy wheel. Let me just get that driver's door open and show you inside. Really minimal wear on the inside, which you would expect for the mileage, because it's probably not been used very often. The bolsters are in good condition. Rear seats in good condition as well as the passenger side. As well as doing the checks before we get the car sent off for delivery, we will have her cleaned. I know it's always a tricky one, because obviously we're going to be driving the car to you, but still we'll do our best to present it to you in as nice a cleaner condition as possible. Hopefully the weather won't be too bad. Speak soon.